Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to fix Yes download shortcut not working in iPhone. So if you're trying to download any photos, videos or anything using Yes download shortcut and the shortcut is not working, here's how to easily fix this error. So if you're having any error with Yes download shortcut, you have to delete the current Yes download shortcut and then you have to download the latest version of it. So go to your shortcut and all you have to need, just tap on this three dot for Yes download. Hard press on the Yes download and just tap on delete shortcut. Once the Yes download shortcut deleted, go ahead and open a browser on your iPhone and simply search for Yes download shortcut. And now to get the latest version of Yes download, you have to open this website shareshortcuts.com. So open this website and now here you will see the latest version of Yes shortcut download. As you can see, this version released in May 6, 2024. So all you have to need now, just tap on setup shortcut, next, and add to shortcut. And as you can see, I've successfully downloaded latest version of Yes download. Now I'm going to opening my Facebook, for example. I'm going to download something here. Let's download this photo. So I'm tapping on share and here tapping on more and here tapping on Yes download, tapping on allow, and as you can see, my photo started to download. And now I'm going to my Photos app and as you can see, the photo I just downloaded using Yes download. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.